sunset covered sky, lighting all the crowns on town that right before his eyes. He didn't know what days was on, shoot himself to turn down one, hopped in notch on the sheriff's gun. He didn't move on, get out of here. Charlie followed Josie's trail from Kansas in the west. He said he'd put a bullet right through poor old Josie's chest. But Josie was like the rest. He didn't bullets holes in his vest. Fight him to his very best. Don't want any rest. Don't want to be the guest of the sheriff. The night was so damn cold, he couldn't stand the pace. He looked again from sheriff's man, but couldn't see the chase. Josie found a natural place, but then the sheriff's on the case. Put the gun at Josie's face. I say, looky here. Sheriff brought him into town with Josie look inside. He didn't know about the system, but keep Josie high. Then Josie drew his gun real fast, gave the sheriff one big blast. Now Josie runs a ton of life.